Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Koval Arya Bima and I'm from 5B. And today video it's we're talking about the book that seventh grade using in teaching learning process. So the title of this book called When English Bell Ringing. Yeah, this book is using for seventh grade in junior high school actually, and then this book was actually good. I mean, according to my mini research before that, I use Chinese word method for analyze this book. Then for specification, I using practical consideration for analyze this book. I have actually 4 points about this book. I mean, it is about practical consideration in this book, yeah. So, the first, the book is really, really good in price side because ya buku ini murah dan saya kira semuanya pun bisa memperoleh buku ini karena because this book is really really gampang sekali ditemukan. uh, if we looking in Cirebon, we can see Dasco or Gramedia, and I think and I see that this book is able in this store. Then the second point that I using to analyze this book is really really good in material. Kita bisa lihat di buku ini benar-benar bagus. Di gambarnya itu it's really really good. Nggak pecah dan ya maybe it's still paper but I mean yeah it's still good quality if we see another book. Kalau kita bandingkan dengan buku lain, saya pikir buku ini sangat-sangat cukup baik lah untuk dijadikan sebagai buku kalau kita lihat dari Chinese word ya. If we looking for Chinese word, then ya saya pikir this book it's sangat cocok untuk dijadikan sebagai materi standard operational book in school because all of the picture or all of the page in this book are nyambung gitu, bener-bener searah dengan apa yang akan disampaikan the material gitu. Dan if we looking for Chinese word, it is a good signal because great book should have good quality in this book gitu. Ya. Yeah. But yeah, again, the good book still have yeah one still have a little bit apa ya kesalahan lah, ada kekurangannya gitu karena looking for consideration ya practical consideration in Chinese word method analysis, this book doesn't have what is it like link or video or cassette or lab I think. So yeah, is still I think meskipun buku ini dikatakan tidak lengkap karena kekurangan di bagian link or like media, but in this book still give apa ya dikasih sedikit penjelasan gitu tentang bagaimana sih how to deliver this material using media gitu. So yeah, I think it's still good lah for book gitu. Apalagi kan buku ini kan it's cheap book dan have good quality, but ya but this book is still doesn't have a cassette or media that supporting the book. And then the last is, are this book uh available in store? Like I said before, this book is really convinced. I see in Dasko, I think in Cirebon, Dasko or Gramedia have this book gitu. Buku ini disedia di situ, tersedia dengan harga yang cukup murah gitu, sekitar I mean 100 berapa gitu, saya lupa. Tapi ya, if again, if we looking for Chinese word method analysis, this have another point for this book gitu. Ya, yeah, this is all for the video. The video for making review about this book according to my mini research. Then I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.